अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम खैबर पख्तूनख्वा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के थ्रू जो हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स का पेपर हुआ था उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। 10/1/2025 को हुआ था। वॉलंटरी यूनियन ऑफ स्वीट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट कन्फेडरेशन बाबर्स डॉटर 3 Taj Mahal completed in the year 1647. Provinces in Government of India Act 1935. 11 Deyarchi 1919. Civitas meaning state alliance for specific purposes where states keep their independent states. Confederation who said international politics is the struggle for power. Hans Morgenthaler Zakat and Ushur system in Constitution 1973 who said he who has no kindness has no faith. Al-Ghazali literally duty to a sovereign is allegiance. Mughal emperor have tomb in Kabul. Babur best measure of economic growth GDP. Proponent of socialism Marx who said end of state is ethical. Aristotle canal irrigation system in India by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Doctrine of Lips by Governor General. Dal House Nairoz Fort in province of Balochistan. Miratul Arus by Nazir Ahmad. Karl Marx birth year 1818. Communal Award of 1932 by Prime Minister MacDonald. Congress ministers in provinces 7 provinces. Pakistan joined United Nations Organization on 30 September 1947. System having absolute political and coercive power. Autocracy. Number of seats in Sindh Assembly 162-68. Hasrat Mohani death year 1951. Preamble to US Constitution first line. We the people of USA who said injustice destroy prosperity and undermine civilization. Ibn Khuldan. Shahjahan Reign 1627. Which European nation first discovered sea route to India? Portuguese. Who is executive head of state in 1973 Constitution? Prime Minister. Literal meaning of chaos. Judging. When small group of people hold power. Oligarchy तहरीके रेशमी रुमाल बाई शेखुल हिंद, एयर ऑफ सिंगिंग ऑफ पाक चाइना बाउंड्री 1963, हु इज सिंपली हेड ऑफ स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट, शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945 बाई Weisra-Wewell, which nations suffered most in World War II? Japan. Ad infinitum meaning unlimited. British Empire established colonies in early 17th century in North America in 1607. Deoband Madrasa Foundation year 30 June 1866. Father of history Herodotus. SAARC 14th summit in 2007 in Delhi. Aryan came from Central Asia. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.